whilst you're out on a walk, just have a look at the trees and see how many you can identify. Sycamore, hawthorn, more sycamore. I think that's, well, it's covered in ivy. There's willow over there. And then listen to the birds. Listen to the birds. What can you hear? There's a big pond back here. And so there's a lot of water birds. There's a lot of arguing going on amongst those birds. I'm not entirely sure what bird that is that's making the majority of the noise. But you can hear the sparrows and the tits. It's just beautiful being outdoors. Have a lovely day. Bye.